For positive numbers it is not defined.
So if it is negative, then it will not be undefined.
If it is
Negative.
so negative, so what happens? So negative numbers are not defined. Not defined means what? First we have to then understand what is the meaning of not defined. Not defined means if any number will come in the form of 1 by 0. Yesterday we have given the format. If any number comes in the form of 1 by 0 or root of a negative number, these are the numbers which are not defined, because 1 by 0 means undefined. If the number negative number under the root, then it is not real numbers. But here this mod of x is defined for all the real values of x. If you take any values of x, you think any values of x, tell me any value for which it is not defined, a particular number for which it is not defined. So you will not observe so. You will not get any such numbers for which the function is not defined. The function will be defined for all numbers. The functions will be defined for all the numbers. The given function is well defined for all x belongs to R. If you are taking x any real values, the given function is well defined. There is no any number for which the function is not defined. So that means what is the domain of the function? Therefore, domain of this function is R. So domain of the function is R. So domain of the function is R. Now we have to come for the range. In the case of range, if you see carefully, whatever value you put here, always one negative sign is outside of this. So always the value will come negative. Always the value will come negative. If you are putting 5 here, then function will become minus of mod 5. So minus of mod 5 is minus 5. If you put negative numbers here, so mod of negative number is negative or positive? Mod of a negative number is negative or positive?
Positive.
Positive. But already we have one negative outside of it. So always the value will come negative. So that means for all real values of x, f of x will become negative. F of x will become negative. Then what is the least value? The least value will be if you are putting x equal to 0. If you put x equal to 0, then fx equal to minus of mod 0. Minus of mod 0 means it is 0. So the least value we get is 0. The least value of the function will be 0. For any other real values, it will always negative. So that means the range will start from 0 and will go in the negative number line. So we'll go in the negative number line means the range will be 0 to minus infinity. The range will be what? 0 to minus infinity. But we can do some mathematical ways here. For all x belongs to R, f of x is always negative. F of x means y. F of x is always negative. At x equal to 0, f of x will be equal to 0. So that means the range of the function. Therefore range, the least value will come 0 and it will go till minus infinity open interval, and 0 can be, so 0 is under the closed interval. So the range will be 0 to minus infinity. 0 will be under the closed interval, because if you put x equal to 0, we are getting f of x equal to 0. So the least value of the function is 0, or otherwise it can be till any negative numbers. So the range will be 0, minus infinity. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Domain and range, as I told you last day, here simple understanding means you have to think of what are the simple thing is that what are the possible values of x which the function can take or for which the function is defined. The values of x for which the function is defined is called the domain, and the corresponding values of y will be the range. Like here we can take any real values, and for any real values the corresponding values of y will be 0 to minus infinity, because if you put any real number here, always the value will come negative, so it is going towards minus infinity. But if you take 0, because 0 is included in real numbers, so if you take 0, then the value of the function will become 0. So 0 will be under the closed interval, minus infinity will be under the open interval. So the range will be 0 to minus infinity. We cannot find always a proper mathematical way to find domain and range. Sometimes we have to understand what are the possible values of the function for which it is defined, and that should be taken care of. Okay, I believe. Let me do one two more sum on domain and range, then I give you some more question. Today we practice domain and range some more sum. Second question we are taking as, suppose f of x equal to mod of x minus 1. That was simply minus of mod x. Now we are taking mod of x minus 1. So if you think in the same way, so mod of x minus 1, so you can see that this function mod of x minus 1, mod of x minus 1 is defined for all real values of x. So the function, the given function is well defined for all x belongs to R. If you put any values here, x, the function is well defined. We will not get any values for which it is not defined. So therefore, domain of this function is R. Again R. The domain of the function will be real numbers. Any real number can be taken. Now we have to find the range. So now if you wish to find the range, so for range what we do, for range, again we can do in one way as we have done the previous sum. We can think of what should be the least value and what should be the maximum value, and accordingly we can write the range. Or otherwise, mathematically if you wish to do, you can do like this. We have as x belongs to R, we can see x belongs to R. So therefore, x belongs to R. So therefore this f of x should be greater than equal to 0. F of x should be greater than equal to 0, because x belongs to R and the function is under the mod. That means this mod of x minus 1 should be greater than equal to 0. So particularly for this case, so mod of x minus 1 should be greater than equal to 0. Okay. So in the same way you can think of, if you take here any values of x, if you are taking any values of x, that means for any real value of x, mod of x minus 1 will always greater than equal to 0. So therefore what will be the range? So the range of this function will come, 0 will be the minimum value and it can go till infinity. Infinity will be under open interval and the 0 will be under the closed interval. We cannot get any value less than 0. Can you think of value of x for which this function will become negative? Do you feel that you can take any value of x for which the function will be negative? Anyone in the class? Any value of x? Please tell me the answer. Reply something. Is there any value of x for which you feel the function fx will be negative?
No, you said it wrong.
What?
Said it wrong.
One of you raise hand and speak. 2 times I am not getting voice clear. Speak. One of you speak.
Sir, if we take 0, then it will be be mod of minus x, but due to the mod, the negative sign will not be considered.
That what? Negative will never come. It will never come negative. We will not get negative value. Even you are taking x negative, if you are taking x equal to minus 5, so it will come f of x equal to mod of minus 5 minus 1, which is mod of minus 6, ultimately will become 6. Only thing is that if you take x equal to 1, if you take x equal to 1, then fx is equal to mod of 1 minus 1, that means it will become 0. So that means the least value will come 0. Otherwise every time positive value will come. So positive means positive real, positive number side. So 0 to it can go till infinity. We don't know where it will end. So 0 to infinity it will go. But we will not have any negative value. Right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One more sum fx equal to x plus 4 divided mod of x plus 4, suppose. Number 3 question. F of x equal to x plus 4 divided mod of x plus 4. So you can see that this question, only one possibility is that when x is equal to minus 4, if x will become minus 4, if x will become minus 4, then minus 4 plus 4 will be 0. So anything divided by 0 will be undefined. So that means you can see that this function is defined for all values, but except x plus 4 should not be 0, because if x plus 4 is equal to 0, then x will become equal to minus 4. The given function is well defined for all x belongs to R except mod of x plus 4 should not be equal to 0, except the value for which x plus 4 should not be equal to 0. Now x plus 4 should not be equal to 0. So this implies x plus 4 should not be equal to 0, which implies x should not be equal to minus of 4. So that means what is the domain of this function? It can be all the real numbers except minus 4. So the domain of the function is all the real values except minus 4. Right? Now if you come for the range, as it is the modulus function, so for range this fx can be splitted as fx equal to x plus 4 divided mod of x plus 4. So this x plus 4 mod can be splitted as x plus 4 by x plus 4, which is equal to 1, or it can be splitted as x plus 4 divided minus of x plus 4, which is equal to minus 1 under the condition, if there are conditions, mod can be expanded in two ways. Right? So mod can be expanded in two ways. One is negative ways, other is positive. So if x is less than minus, if x is greater than minus 4, and negative value if x is less than minus 4. This is the explanation of mod. If mod x is there, so we can split as positive x, we can split as negative x. Condition is if x greater than 0, condition is if x less than 0. The same thing applied here. So this x plus 4 by x plus 4, if x plus 4 greater than 0, which means x greater than minus 4, and x plus 4 by minus of x plus 4, if x plus 4 less than 0, which means x less than minus 4. So you can see that you must write this information. This is the information for the mod function. This you should be knowing. कि mod of x can be splitted as this. So that means here the possible value of fx is plus 1 or minus 1. Plus 1 or minus 1. So therefore range of this function, if you talk about the range, so range of this function is minus 1 to 1 under the closed interval. Whatever value you put, whatever value you will put here for x, you will always have plus 1 and minus 1 values. You will always have plus 1 and minus 1 values. So the range will come minus 1 to 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now you should be doing some question. From my side I am giving you some question, you should do. Then you will get the idea. F of x equal to x square plus 3x plus 5 by x square minus 5x plus 4. Number 2. F of x equal to x minus 5, 6 minus x. Number 3. F of x equal to x square minus 9 by x minus 3. These three sum I wish you try. You try these three sum. If doubt is there, I will help.